And now, once again, we shall attempt the blind super windmill tornado move.
Apple, no, it's impossible.
You have to just trust.
I trust that it's impossible, but okay.
Eyes closed. Did it work?
No.
Maybe let's never do that again.